All right, in previous video, we have written code using the shared preferences to save values in such as integer variable and then also floating point variable, okay? Simple ones, simple data types, and then start also transit to the next activity. For example, on the first screen, we collect the number of years, the amount of car loan, and also the interest rate. And then once the car payment button is clicked, then we transit to the next screen. Okay, so we are going to write code in the payment activity to see how can we retrieve those values saved using the shared preferences technique. All right, but then let's see what variables we need to retrieve over this payment layout. Okay, so let me increase the screen size a little bit. Okay. Okay, so you can see that we really don't need to retrieve or associate a variable in the payment.java file with this text view at all because we are not going to change anything. But we need to declare a variable in the payment.java file to associate with this text view so that later on we can display the monthly amount. Okay, so let me change the text view ID to be something more meaningful. T view monthly payment. And also this text view we are going to use it to display the information regarding the number of years on the loan. Okay, so we rename this one as years. Okay, yes, years. Okay, press the enter key. All right, now we can switch back to the payment .java file. Let me increase the screen size. All right, and then I will just quickly type something like this, text view. And the name of the variable will be text view monthly payment. You go to file view by ID r.id dot t view monthly payment. The one we just set it up over the layout file, payment layout file, and make sure we converted it to the right data type, text view. And again, to save some time, I will just copy and paste the code I have prepared ahead of time. Okay, so this one will be this variable will be associated with the text view regarding the year to display the monthly payment. Okay. All right. Next we're going to write code to retrieve the value stored in the shared references. So let me declare an instance, a reference variable of shared reference. And then let me see. You can see that the code has import that one for me already. Okay, and then I'm going to write one more. I'm going to write a code here that shared references equal to. I'm going to use the preference manager get default shared references and then it will be this activity or this application. However, let me see. Make sure that if the software showing you that the preference manager is deprecated, make sure that you change this one to Android X. Okay, Android X the reference that preference manager. And then again, if it's complaint again, then highly likely that in your Gradle file. Okay, the second one over here, you forgot to import this statement. Okay, so please make sure of that. All right, let me switch back. So once I have the shared references, we'll be able to refer to the values I have saved in the object. Okay, so now I can again quickly write code to retrieve the number of years. Okay, so the number of years for the long I save in the key. Okay, key number of years. Okay, and then the key for the car loan amount. Okay, this is the key I use. And then the interest rate, okay, this is the key I use. Okay, so make sure when you try to retrieve the value, you use a get and then followed by the data type. Okay, get the data type, get a flow method. All right, so once I have those value retrieved, then again to save time, I will copy and paste the code. Okay, so I can declare a variable of a decimal data type monthly payment, and then use the simple interest rate formula to calculate the total amount. And with this amount of loan the customer try to borrow, and then eventually just divide that amount by the number of years times 12 months per year. Then there will be the monthly payment. Okay, so again, feel free to pause the video to take a look of this simple interest rate formula. Okay, and once I have that ready, then I can do a quick display, quick display on the text view. And then I also need to do a little bit better on the formatting. Okay, so this will be the format I will be using. Okay, so I need to import the library. Let me press the Alt Enter. Okay, so import the class. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, let me try this Java text class. All right, okay, and then before I fine-tune the code, let me just do a quick testing. Okay, so let me run the app again. Okay, so run the app, and then it's loading, installing. Okay, and let me try some testing data here for 4 years. Okay, and then this will be 24900. Okay, this will be 0.019. Okay, sorry, 9, and then click the car payment. Okay, so pretty good. Okay, so it displayed this is a monthly payment. Okay, $558.17 on the text view control over here. Okay, and then let me see that. Okay, yes. Okay, but then how about the information over here? Okay, so here will be something I'm going to add my code to it. Okay, so let me reduce the screen size a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to copy and again paste some of the code I have written already, but I will explain to you. Okay, so over here I have used the if-else statement like this. Okay, so I say if the number of years is equal to 3, then I'm going to change this image background with this image. Okay, so let me show it to you quickly. Okay, I'm going to show this here, car silver, under car silver 3. Okay, so it has the 3-year long text information displayed on the windshield. Okay? And if it's 4-year, okay, then it's over here. But other than those two, okay, if the number of years is other than those two choices, okay, then I want to use this default image. Okay, but I want to display the number of year concatenated with this dash year long over the the button of the image aligned at the center here. Okay, so that is the whole purpose of it. Okay, and then again for the text view here, text view here. If you want to change the background image, then you can use the set background resource followed by the name of the image. All right. Okay. So let's again do a little bit quick test. Okay. So let me try 4-year again. 4-year, and then the amount. Okay. Then the interest rate 0.019. Okay, and then car payment. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so you can see that this is the monthly payment, and then this is the image from this one. Okay, from this one. Okay, but then how about if it is let's say 6 years, right? So let's see. Let's try 6 years. Okay, and then again, let me move to the next one and click car payment. Okay, then there you go. Okay, so use the default image, which is this one default image, but then the code over here allow me to display the image at the button over here. All right, I think that that will be all for the code. Okay, yeah. And then as for some final touch, I might prepare another video for it. Again, feel free to pause the video to look at the code if you want to. Okay, yeah. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so far so good.